Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring everyone uses iMessage. Blue bubbles mean success. This matters because SMS groups behave differently. Once confirmed, open Messages and tap Compose immediately, then add at least 2 contacts by name, phone, or email so the thread qualifies as a group. Next, type a brief introductory message so recipients recognize the chat purpose and tap Send. That single action creates the group on your device and theirs. This first step starts the flow and sets expectations. Once the group exists, tap the top bar, either the group name or the circular icons, to open info. This gives you control and explains how the conversation will behave. You can add new people, remove participants if everyone uses iMessage, rename the group to a clear title, and choose a photo or emoji so it's easy to spot. Also use info to toggle read receipts, do not disturb, and inline replies so the chat matches your notification preferences and keeps messages organized during busy periods. Finish by using mentions and inline replies to direct messages to specific people. Press and hold a bubble to react, which reduces clutter. If someone isn't on iMessage, you'll see green bubbles. Consider inviting them to iMessage or starting a separate SMS group because certain features won't sync. If you hit problems, first check Wi-Fi or cellular, verify Apple ID sign-in and iMessage activation in settings. Once done, restart messages. These steps resolve most failures and restore normal group behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.